When you have a global enterprise with several manufacturing units, accurately knowing when to produce and how much to produce is extremely important. Our client, a Fortune 500 biopharmaceutical company, were designing their existing production schedule manually. This meant actual man-hours were spent in understanding resource allocation, fluctuating demand, and safety stock requirements, which were different from plant to plant. The MPS could not quickly accommodate changes, such as orders being dropped by customers, lines breaking down, materials not arriving on time, trucks breaking down, etc. So they wanted to automate the entire process and develop a smart master production schedule that could synchronize operations, improve productivity, and capacity planning, meaning the plant scheduler gets enough time to execute and track production, rather than spending days figuring out product quantities needed to fulfill the short-term needs. In order to generate an automated master production schedule, we used constraint programming, a mathematical model based on a set of situational constraints and business objectives. These objective functions included cost minimization, scrap reduction, and capacity optimization. The constraints could be company policies, production run rate, machinery assignment, economic considerations, and so on. Google OR tools were extensively used to understand the fluctuating demand and generate multiple scenarios based on inventory levels and the other constraints. Amazon SageMaker was used to build, train, and scale the ML-based solution. The solution output could now be generated in a matter of 4 to 5 minutes. Compare that with over 5 days of manual work earlier. This meant changes could be scheduled easily, and the system became way more dynamic. We also developed schedule adherence visualization, notifications, and trend highlights in a comprehensive dashboard. By generating multiple scenarios, Sigmoid's solution resulted in a 15% increase in capacity utilization. So, if you're looking for a production scheduling system that is data-driven and highly dynamic, Sigmoid is your go-to partner.